Lego. It's the original Batman. Original.
What's up, guys? I'm here with Ali Grace here today again. One of my faves truly has grown into one of my faves. They always deliver with just the quality that I love so much. So it's pretty much same packaging as last time. No box today, just a bag. I got a pair of lashes, 3D minks to add to my collection. I got a wig cap, and that's everything that came in the bag today. This is a lace front body wave wig. It's actually 26 inches long. They're always coming through the inches, okay? Always. This hair is so full. This feels like at least 180% in density, but I'm going to be sure to put all the specifications in the description box so you guys can check that for sure. But yeah, it's of a natural color. So this is a 13x4 lace front wig. It's one of those lace fronts where the middle portion, it has a deeper scoop than the sides. I guess they started doing it like this so they can preserve lace space. So yeah, I don't know. I guess that's what that is, but that's how it looks. On the inside, it has 4 combs, adjustable straps in the back, and yeah, standard cap construction. It also comes pre-fluffed. I also want to do a nice little cut crease vibe with this wig, so we're gonna jump into a full-on glam today, guys. Yes, we are. So let's go ahead and get started with this installation.
Fire can't cool me up on tire.
Original Batman.
It's Features.
She give me pon me heart, say she give me pon me heart. Fine girl a coming on me heart, say she bounce pon the thing so. Whine it pon me thing so. Put the thing upon me thing, whine it pon me thing so. I say she whine it pon me heart. Man I give it to her one time, say she want it one time. Whine it pon me heart. Man I step in at the yard, make the girls them say I not bad man, they want to say I. She not bad man, they want to fail. Say she give me pon me heart, say she give me pon me thing so. Whine it pon me girl, say she whine it pon me thing so. Move your body pon me thing and whine it pon me thing so. Come they sing so, whine it pon me thing so. I not bad man, they want to say I. She not bad man, they want to fail.
Fire can't cool me up on tire.
Original Batman.
Nobody test me around tire.
African style, me hit the dance like Bob Marley me style. You understand me, no made in Japan. We changing style with the girl system warning. Aye, me a not gonna waste time. Me a stand in the city, me a can't see a baseline. Live night, can't understand why I waste time. Your body nice, fuck up on me a waistline. I mean a bad man, they want to see.
I'm going to give it that whole nice, big, curly, wavy vibe. But I feel like I want to do something to the front here. Even though we're working with limited space on the sides, I feel like I want to do something with it. So I'm going to see. It's definitely going to be a center part vibe. I feel like I want to do a like orange and golden cut crease vibe.
Fire can't cool me up on tire.
Original Batman.
It's Features.
She give me pon me heart, say she give me pon me heart. Fine girl a coming on me heart, say she bounce pon the thing so. Whine it pon me thing so. Put the thing upon me thing, whine it pon me thing so. I say she whine it pon me heart. Man I give it to her one time, say she want it one time. Whine it pon me heart. Man I step in at the yard, make the girls them say I not bad man, they want to say I. She not bad man, they want to fail. Say she give me pon me heart, say she give me pon me thing so. Whine it pon me girl, say she whine it pon me thing so. Move your body pon me thing and whine it pon me thing so. Come they sing so, whine it pon me thing so. I not bad man, they want to say I. She not bad man, they want to fail.
Fire can't cool me up on tire.
Original Batman.
Nobody test me around tire.
African style. Me hit the dance like Bob Marley, me style. You understand me, no made in Japan. You changing style with the girl, system warning, system warning. Aye, me a not gonna waste time. Me a stand in the city, me a can't in a baseline, live line. Can't understand why I waste time. Your body nice, fuck up on me, I waste like. I mean a bad man, they want to say. I mean a bad man, them want to feel. Say she give me for me heart, say she give me for me thing so. Whine it for me girl, say she whine it for me thing so. Move your body for me thing and whine it for me thing so. Come they sing so, whine it for me thing so. I ain't a bad man and they want to say. She ain't a bad man, they want to feel.
Dun da da, or you can't call me a bonfire. Better than you, me a spitfire. Nobody says we are on dire, we are on dire.
It's V-Kills.
Original Batman.
Standard.
Dun da da, or you can't call me a bonfire. Better than
Original
you, me a
Batman.
spitfire.
It's
Nobody
V-Kills.
says we are on dire, we are on dire.
Standard.
She give me pon me heart, say she give me pon me heart. Fine girl, I come in on me heart, say she bounce pon the thing so. Whine it pon me thing so, put the thing upon me thing and whine it pon me thing so. I say she whine it pon me heart. Man, I give it to her one time, say she want it one time. Whine it pon me heart. Man, I step in at the yard, make the girls them say I ain't a bad man, and they want to say She ain't a bad man, they want to feel. Say she give me pon me heart, say she give me pon me thing so. Whine it pon me girl, say she whine it pon me thing so. Move your body pon me thing and whine it pon me thing so. Come they sing so, whine it pon me thing so. I ain't a bad man, and they want to say She ain't a bad man, they want to feel.
Dun da da, or you can't call me a bonfire.
I absolutely love the way my edges came out. I knew I wanted to do something extra with it, but I just wasn't sure how I was going to do it. All I did was the regular swoops, but I just kind of did these two pieces in a different direction. The hair is cooperating so nicely. I am going to pretty much proceed to do like two, kind of like braids or something on the side here, or flat twists, and then I'm going to curl the rest of the hair with my curling iron.
African style, me hit the dance like Bob Marley, me style. You understand me, no made in Japan. You changing style with the girl, system warning, system warning. Aye, me a not gonna waste time. Me a stand in the city, me a can't in a baseline, live line. Can't understand why I waste time. Your body nice, fuck up on me, I waste like. I mean a bad man, they want to say. I mean a bad man, them want to feel. Say she give me pon me heart, say she give me pon me thing so. Whine it pon me girl, say she whine it pon me thing so. Move your body pon me thing and whine it pon me thing so. Come they sing so, whine it pon me thing so.
Ahead and got carried away. I'm so excited to jump into the makeup portion that I forgot that I have not curled the hair as yet. So oh my gosh, this is when I brush out the hair. It still has these gorgeous waves. To be honest, I don't even have to go in and do anything to this right now. I really don't. I really don't. This looks so good. It's not trashy, it's not dry. The luster is very pretty. It looks really good. I don't know. I don't even know if I should really even go in and touch these waves. It looks so good as is. After really looking at these curls, like, I don't have to touch this. This is beautiful as is. It is gorgeous as is. I just kind of did, two little flat twists, nothing too serious on the side here to kind of just give it that pull back vibe. I already went ahead and got started on my eyebrows. I'm done with that, and sorry for the in the background, it's my bad. I already have some concealer on my eyes. I'm gonna apply a little bit more. This creates, a very nice canvas to work with.
Dun da da, or you can't call me a bonfire. Better than you,
Original
me a
Batman.
spitfire.
It's
Nobody
Features.
test me around there. Me around there.
She give me for me heart.
So I'm going to be using this palette again today. Oh no, I use the palette a lot. Makeup by Yolanda. So I'm going to be using the orange in this palette. So I'm thinking this orange, then this gold, and I might deepen. Well, first before I go in with the orange, I'm going to take maroon. This shade. So this, and this. Those are the shades I'm working with today.
Say she give me pon me heart. Fine girl a come in on me heart. Say she bounce pon the thing so whiny pon me thing.
So I'm basically going to pat the orange over top of that once I'm done applying maroon. This is just going to create depth for the eye look. And I'm not going to speak right throughout this portion. I'm going to speed up parts because the focus is really the hair, but I just wanted to fuse the makeup with it, especially since I wanted to, you know, add it as an extra because, you know, you guys been requesting makeup so much. So I said, you know, why not?
Lego. It's the original Batman. Original Batman. Oh.
It's Features.
Aye. Gucci on the Prada, say me feeling bad. I be looking like the nigga that you wish you had. Them my girls, them a coming, them a looking bad. Man, I rolling with my niggas and we moving mad. So me light on up and put it up till the morning. Them I know that your mind, so they be stalling. And I be always there to answer whenever you're calling. And you always hold me down whenever it's boring. So sexy when you think about. I can't tell me nothing. What you talk about? Man, I light you up. You will turn me on. Man, I play my song. You will sing along. You got me elevated like I hit the bomb. 007, man, I James Bond. Me wanna get that feeling, something that give me that healing. Me, I don't want to tire, so me, I light up the fire. Me wanna get that feeling, something that give me that healing. Me, I don't want to tire, so me, I light up the fire. Girl, them I want a bad man, put a ring on it. You're the only one me I really gotta think of. Trust me when I say you're the only one I feel for. Wine for me, girl, them I really try confuse me. For the money, me not flip on your head. You got a thing that go Chris for a man. I got the money, so they sing for me, girl. Wine for me, girl, she a wine for me, man. Now if you lose control, you got the fire can cool, let's get the groove on. On a cruise control, let the vibes come true, let's make a move on. Them really wanna stress up on me. Bad man, them really can't stress up on me. I really wanna test man for it. Bad man, them really wanna test me man for it. Get that feeling, something that give me that healing. Me, I don't want to tire, so me, I light up the fire. Me wanna get that feeling, something that give me that healing. Me, I don't want to tire, so me, I light up the fire.
Lego. It's the original Batman. Original Batman. Oh.
It's Features.
Gucci on the Prada, say me feeling bad. I be looking like the nigga that you wish you had. Them my girls, them a coming, them a looking bad. Man, I rolling with my niggas and we moving mad. So me light on up and put it up till the morning. Them I know that your mind, so they be stalling. And I be always there to answer whenever you're calling. And you always hold me down whenever it's boring. So sexy when you think about. I can't tell me nothing. What you talk about? Man, I light you up. You will turn me on. Man, I play my song. You will sing along. You got me elevated like I hit the bomb. 007, man, I James Bond. Me wanna get that feeling, something that give me that healing. Me, I don't want to tire, So me I light up the fire. Me wanna get that feeling, something that give me that healing. Me I don't want to tire. So me I light up the fire. GLM, I want a bad man, put a ring on it. You're the only one me I really gotta think of. Trust me when I say you're the only one I feel for. Wine for me, GLM, I really try confuse me. For the money, me not flip on your head. You got a thing that go Chris for a man. I got the money, so they sing for me, girl. Wine for me, girl, she a wine for me, man. Now if you lose control, you got the fire can cool, let's get the groove on. On a cruise control, let the vibes come true, let's make a move on. Them really wanna stress up on me. Bad man, them really can't stress up on me. I really wanna test man for him. Bad man, them really wanna test man for him. Get that feeling, something that give me that healing. Me, I don't want to tire. So me, I light up the fire. Me wanna get that feeling, something that give me that healing. Me, I don't want to tire. So me, I light up the fire.
I gave you extra today. I was very much in the whole vibe. This is what my heart was telling me to do. I really wanted to do this color combo, and you guys saw how that gold eyeshadow just wiped on effortlessly. It's super pigmented. This palette, yes, it's a really good palette. I've had this palette for like probably 2 years now. It's really good. It's really good. But yeah, I just dropped that little glam portion in there. I hope you guys enjoyed that. I hope you did, because I've been getting so much requests to do this, you know, to include my makeup bag and all that, and that's what I'm doing. So I hope you guys appreciate it. I didn't have to go over with, you know, my wand or my flat or my curling iron. That's amazing. It's very rare when that happens with some body wave hair. This hair, the curls, I brush it out, I comb it out, and the waves are still intact. So yeah. Oh, I actually changed up the twists. If you guys realize, I actually did some more vivid twists rather than just straight, you know, flat twist kind of vibe. And I love how it's looking. It's like a more, you know, would be perfect with like, you know, like a long flowy kind of dress, like kind of like bohemian vibe. Yeah. And the color, the eyeshadow is just giving summer vibes. It's giving tropical breeze, you know. It's just, yeah, that's the vibe I'm getting at least. But yeah, that's pretty much it for this, you know, wig look today / glam. Hope you guys enjoyed it. I really do. I'm going to list all the necessary details in the description box. The direct link to the hair. This gorgeous wig Ali Grace came through once more. If you enjoyed this video, go ahead and give it a thumb up. Alright, go ahead and give it a thumb up. Don't forget to go ahead and check out PETITE-SUE TV. New vlogs, weekly, long, nice movies. Okay, that's all I do nowadays. That's all I do. So yeah, that's pretty much it for today, guys. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in my next video. So until then, just go and make up on yourself. Bye.
Gucci on the Prada, say me feeling bad. I'll be looking like the nigga that you wish you had. Them my girls, them a coming, them a looking bad. Man, I'm rolling with my niggas and we moving mad. So me light on up and put it up till the morning. Them I know that your mind, so they be stalling. And I'll be always there to answer whenever you're calling. And you